Welcome to the Random Trader video series 2022 and beyond. This is episode 12. Let's dig into the charts, see what happened on the previous trade, and if we're ready for the next random trade. And real quick, before we get started, the why of the Random Trader series. There's two reasons that I created the Random Trader video series, and it was designed, number one, to prove that you can enter a trade at any time, any direction with no stop loss and win, debunking the need for complex trade entry strategies. And number two, to emphasize that trade management is the key to Forex profits. Now let's get on with today's episode. Here we are inside of MT4. The trade terminal is closed, so that means we took profit. Let's look at the account history. Last trade was a buy on GBP CAD, and I had set to take profit, and we took profit at $26.21. Again, remember, I am creating, generating, and taking an absolutely random trade. We have won every trade so far of the previous 7 trades. Let's generate and enter our next absolutely random trade and see how it plays out for us. Let's copy my currency pair list, all 28 currency pairs plus US 30 with a buy and a sell attached. Let's go to random.org, paste that list into the randomizer, hit randomize, and our very next trade is going to be AUDCAD sell, AUDCAD sell. Here we are. Let's go back to the trade terminal. Let's open up AUDCAD and let's sell. Here it is, AUDCAD. Let's drag it to the chart. Get rid of the terminal. We are in AUDCAD. We said sell. We're going to go ahead and hit sell. We are in a trade. Now let's analyze this a little bit. Let's go up to the 4-hour. We just did a sell, and overall for the last few weeks, the price has been coming down. So let's go up to the day and see what the day has been doing. So the day's coming down. Although today is an up day in terms of candle, let's come down to the 15-minute and let's set our take profit. Now, we did a sell. It looks like there's no real obvious place that it's going to come down to. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, let's go to the recent bottom here. So I'm just going to drag my current sell line down to the bottom. We'll go to the bottom of this candle. Let's see how much that will make us. It is $8.96. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there, and we'll see what happens. If it goes 100 pips against me, or in this case about $100 drawdown, I will recover it and show you the recovery process. In the last 7 trades, we have not had to do that. And remember, I'll say this again, these are all random trades. Proof positive that you do not need a complex Forex entry strategy. What you need is good Forex trade management skills, and we haven't even had to apply those yet. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next episode. Whether you're brand new to Forex or you're still struggling with which trading strategy actually works, the good news is you never have to manually trade Forex ever again. No, this is not the latest and greatest robot or expert advisor. This service sends you profitable trades daily, and you have full control of how many trades you receive and how much you bid. The take profit and drawdown recovery are all built in. For the ultimate in Forex trading automation, visit forexbits.com today.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.